Now we will learn how to read the time and how to show the given time on the clock. That is hour hand, minute hand. कहाँ ड्रॉ करना है, किस नंबर को पॉइंट होगा, दिस इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न नाउ. सेकेंड्स हैंड जनरली डे टू डे लाइफ में यूज नहीं होता. इट इज नॉट यूज्ड unless and until you are into some sports activity where stopwatch is used. There you need, or anywhere where seconds has to be noted. In a day to day life seconds की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. वो काम सिर्फ क्लॉक का है and that it takes care of. So here I have drawn the clock showing the timings from 12 to 11. We have seen the minutes also that they tell us. जैसे एक पे आए तो 5 मिनट होती है because it starts from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So first we will learn how to draw and then we will learn how to read. The first timing what is given here is 3 o'clock. So 3 o'clock मतलब 3 बजे. ये 3, what does 3 show? It shows 3 hours. HRS is the short form of HOURS, hours. उसे short form कहते हैं. Right? So to draw this, you can use the scale and it would be better that you use the scale so that your clock is drawn neatly. So 3 o'clock है, तो first your hour hand, the small hand should point 3. So starting from the dot and towards 3, draw a small line. बड़ी line नहीं draw करनी है. You have to draw a small line. Okay? And then you draw an arrow. So you can show it is pointing to 3. When it is 3 o'clock, O means 0. So that means where does 0 start? It starts at 12. Or the minute hand will point to 12. So this is your 3 o'clock. This is how you draw any given time. That is 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, ऐसा कोई भी number है, 6 o'clock है, then this short hand will point towards 6. If it is 8 o'clock, then it will point towards 8. But the big hand or the minute hand will remain pointing towards 12. Next is 6 o'clock and 15 minutes. So in between the two numbers, that is hours and minutes, you can see there are 2 dots. This is how you show time. These are 2 dots that you need to use. So 6 will show the hours and 1, 5, 15 is the minutes that you show. Now when it is 6, so we are going to draw a small line, that is the hour hand, towards the number 6. But as the long hand has traveled, the minute hand has traveled from 12 to 3. So what is this? If you divide the clock in 4 parts, this is 1 and this is 2. You get 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts of a clock. So when this minute hand has traveled up to 3, it is said that it has traveled 1/4 of the clock. So would you say it is 1/4? No. What will we say? It is quarter. This is a quarter part of the clock. So what do we call this? This is, when it comes to 15, we can call it as quarter past 6. Okay? That means when it was 6 o'clock, the small hand was pointing 6 and the long hand was pointing at 12. But minute hand has passed 6 o'clock and is now pointing at 3. So 3 will show how many minutes? 15 minutes, as I have written here. It shows 15 minutes. Why 15? 1, 2 and 3 with 5 gaps each. So 3 5s are 15. So here you get 15. So now that the minute hand has traveled 1/4 of its path, the hour hand will also travel 1/4 of its path. So 6 और 7 के बीच का आप करो तो वो हाफ होगा, और उससे थोड़ा कम करोगे तो it becomes 1/4. So the small hand will not point 6 exactly, but a little away from 6. थोड़ा 6 से दूर रहेगा. Which one? Your small hand. So this is how you show the hour hand, and the minute hand always also is going to point towards 3. 3 के सामने point होगा तो ये क्या हो गया? 6:15 आप उसे बोल सकते हो. And you can always also say 6:15. 6 से quarter time pass हो गया, right? So this is how you show 6:15. It is written like this, and it can be read as 15 minutes. MIN is the short form of minutes. 15 minutes past 6, or you can say 6:15. So anything related to 15 can be written like this. The next is 4:35. Again, you have to point. This is the hour. So you have to point towards 4. Right. So your hour hand will point towards 4. We'll draw a light one, a light line. Now, 35 kahan aayega? Where will 35 come? I'm sure you have learnt your 5 tables properly. So 35 comes in 5. How many? When does it come? 7 5s are 35. So you get 35 here near 7. So what are we going to do? Our minute hand will be pointing to 7. This I've drawn dark. Why? Because we know it's not going to move from here. But our hour hand has to move. Why? Because the minute hand has traveled more than half. Where does the clock get half? It becomes half at 6. So the minute has passed the middle of the clock. So 4 और 5 के बीच में हमारा hour hand भी आएगा, क्योंकि minute hand has traveled half of the clock, more than half of the clock. So hour hand को भी थोड़ा थोड़ा उसके साथ घूमना पड़ेगा ना. They are friends, they have to travel together. एक आगे दूसरा पीछे ऐसे नहीं चलता. This is the passage or the path for minute hand. And what is the path for the hour hand? From one number to the other number. So दोनों को travel तो साथ में करना पड़ेगा. Minute hand पूरा complete करके यहाँ पे आए, तब तक hour hand को 4 से 5 तक आना पड़ेगा. This is the system, right? So if this minute has traveled half the clock, the hour hand also has to have traveled half its time. So this is how you show 4:35. This can be read at 35 minutes past 4, or the second way to write is 35 minutes pass हो गए 4. तो 4 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा? It will come 5. It's going to be 5 o'clock. So 5 o'clock करने में कितना टाइम बाकी है? तो 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So you can say 25 minutes to 5. Past 4 मतलब 4 को पास करके 35 minutes हो गई है. And if you say 25 minutes to 5 मतलब 4 तो हो गए, पर 5 बजने में 25 minutes बाकी है. So these are the two ways you can read the timing. The next timing is 7:45. So 7 is what we are going to point our hand. And that will be light because it's not a round number. 7:45. 45 again, 5 table. 5 9s are 45. So we have already written 45. So here is the place where द लॉन्ग हैंड विल पॉइंट। तो इसे हमने मिनट हैंड को ड्रॉ कर लिया। अब अगेन 7 हैज टू मूव। क्यों? क्योंकि मिनट हैंड ने कितना ट्रेवल कर लिया? 1 क्वार्टर, 2nd क्वार्टर एंड 3rd क्वार्टर। तो 3/4 उसने ट्रेवल कर लिया। उनका जितना भी रास्ता है मिनट हैंड ने उसमें से इतना ट्रेवल कर लिया है। तो आवर हैंड ऑल्सो विल हैव टू मूव। सो हाफ कहाँ आएगा?